I'm just here at the Cathedral Ranges.
The Southern Circuit. Starting at Cook's Mill Campground, I headed down Tweedspur Road. And then I went up the, I think it's called Messmate Track. Then I climbed Mount Sugar Loaf. There was some steep rock climbing. Uh-oh, is that a bushfire? Oh no, oh dear.
So I called Parks Victoria, did the right thing, just to report the fire, and somebody's already reported it, which is good, and they said they are responding to it.
Parks Victoria had advised me to get out of there, so I doubled back via Cerberus Road.
I had to cancel the hike, so instead of going on the Razorback, I came back down Sugar Loaf Saddle, and I've been jogging along the actual road trying to get out of here, and then a lady from the CFA just drove past and she said it's okay, they're not evacuating, and she said just take your time. So yeah, she told me, like, you know, they've got the helicopter, the water helicopter, put water on the fire, they've got the dozers down there, and so they'll contain the fire with that. And I saw a few fire trucks, and yeah, all good hopefully. So nothing dramatic, but I'd like to say thank you to the CFA for all the good work they do and keeping us safe.